5 Shocking Things About Peanut Butter Toast Ideas. Discover the surprising and delicious ways to elevate your peanut butter toast game with these 5 shocking ideas. Get ready to be amazed. 1. 9 out of 10 Americans consume peanut butter. The average American consumes 3 pounds per year. The amount of peanut butter is 800 million pounds. In the United States, 75% of homes have a peanut butter jar in their pantry or refrigerator. 1. Pickles and peanut butter. Pickles and peanut butter seem like an odd combination at first. Peanut butter pairs surprisingly well with pickles' tanginess. You might just discover a new favorite snack. Peanut butter and tangy and crunchy pickles work well together to create a unique and satisfying taste. 2. Bacon and peanut butter. This sweet and savory combination is a must for lovers of sweet and savory. Bacon and peanut butter come together to create a mouth-watering flavor explosion. Smoky and salty bacon complements peanut butter's richness. Avocado and peanut butter. Avocado toast has become a popular breakfast option, but have you considered adding peanut butter? This delicious and nutritious combination of avocado and peanut butter is smooth and nutty, creating a delicious and satisfying morning meal. 4. Bananas and peanut butter. Peanut butter and banana toast may not sound groundbreaking, but its incredible taste still makes it worth mentioning. Adding banana to peanut butter creates a classic, comforting flavor combination that never disappoints. Peanut butter, banana toast is a classic breakfast or midday snack. 5. Chocolate chips and peanut butter. Sprinkle chocolate chips over your peanut butter toast if you have a sweet tooth. Melted chocolate creates a sweet, indulgent treat that will satisfy any sweet tooth. 1. 9 out of 10 Americans consume peanut butter. The average American consumes 3 pounds per year. The amount of peanut butter is 800 million pounds. In the United States, 75% of homes have a peanut butter jar in their pantry or refrigerator. Peanuts are technically legumes, in the bean family, not nuts despite their name. Peanuts are a New World food, most likely coming from Brazil and migrating north. 500 years ago, the Aztecs mashed them into a paste. 3. Half of the peanuts processed into peanut butter come from the southeastern United States, mainly Georgia, Florida, and Alabama. 30,000 peanut butter and jelly sandwiches can be made from 1 acre of peanuts. Peanut butter is a flexible and flavorful spread that has been delighted in by individuals all around the world for quite a long time. It was first developed by the Aztecs and Incas, who ground broiled peanuts into a glue. Peanut butter is a flexible and flavorful spread that has been delighted in by individuals all around the world for quite a long time. It was first developed by the Aztecs and Incas, who ground broiled peanuts into a glue. Peanut butter became famous in the US in the mid-1900s because of the endeavors of designers like George Washington Carver. Peanut butter isn't just delectable, however it likewise has numerous medical advantages. It is a decent wellspring of protein, solid fats, and fundamental nutrients and minerals. Peanut butter is an extraordinary wellspring of energy and is frequently utilized by competitors and wellness fans as a pre- or post-exercise nibble. Peanut butter is likewise a decent wellspring of cell reinforcements, which can assist with safeguarding the body against free extremists and lessen the gamble of persistent illnesses. Peanut butter is a flexible fixing that can be utilized in different recipes, from sandwiches and treats to smoothies and sauces. Peanut butter isn't only for people, many animal people use it as a treat or to conceal prescription for their fuzzy companions.